So I decided to get these two bell peppers or sweet peppers. They got scorched or sunburned. I know I am not letting them go to waste at all. I decided that no, I am definitely getting these babies. Eat what I can get from it. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So I'm getting a little knickknacks, a few little things around the garden. Now I came out here to get ginger because I realized from the other day that I have two of my containers, the leaves drying out, so I came to get them. I saw these peppers from the other day and I was like, alright, I'm gonna watch it. But when I saw it, I said, you know what, let me get this thing here. So I'm going to get a few little things that I'm seeing that are obvious, that are saying, get me. Yeah, so I'm going to get them. Welcome to all my new gardening family. Big ups to you, my channel members, my faithful gardening family. I love and appreciate you all. Thank you all so much. Alright, so let's get to it.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
I have to check for the lizards, right? Got me my gloves. Let me get back my stick. Just in case somebody passed through when I went to get these. You see, this is a container. The reason why I'm going into this is because where it is. Had some of these coming from it. Let me see. I am looking at the other one, but I don't know. I'm wondering if it ever grew. Because it's just a little piece that is inside here. Look at it. It's just this I'm seeing. So maybe it never actually grew. Maybe it's just growing now. Because look at these. How they're fluffy. I barely touched this mint. And it smells so good. Alright, so I'm just going to dig into this one alone. And see if anything is inside. Right here, so you want to stay there, so I'm just going to turn it over because I may have to plant it back. This thing is dried out. So dry inside. They need water, man. They need water over there. Not ready at all. A little piece is there, but I'm just going to put it right back. Let this stay. Yeah, let it stay and grow. I'm going to put it right back. So I'm getting me some string beans that I have right here. You know, it's been a while since I've grown string beans and they're so easy to grow. I just got this little okra from here and I was recording. Well, I thought it was recording. I did press the play. Cute. Alright, so we're going to get my pink callaloo for the first time, or pink amaranth. I mean, what? Look at these. They never fail to appear. These stink bugs. Now I see like a callaloo is going to push out seeds or something. So I'm getting it. It is tender, young and tender, but I thought it would have gotten a little bigger. But nope. See, like it wants to give me seeds right there. So I'm getting this right now. So I am going to cut it the same way I usually cut the green ones. I'm not going to take it out completely. I'm just going to cut off most of the stem and leave the rest. So I will see if it will actually put out new leaves or new branches. Let me just get this green one over here. You know what I'm looking for? A red one. A red one in the mix would look so nice together. But they are not ready. The pink is so pretty, looks so good. I'm going to see if the color changes when it's prepared. Shout out to you, blessings from the garden. Latoya and Saroya, thank you so much again, ladies, for my pink callaloo or my pink amaranth. Guys, bless them up for me, please. I think I have a pepper right here. Hold on there. One day fall off, party fall off long time. Whichever way, I am getting it. This fall from me. Did it? Alright, I have one more pepper right here. Is it one? Yeah, it is one. Alright, I need me some fresh parsley. Getting these ones that are hanging down. Alright, this can do. Alright, yeah man, this can do. Alright, so this is it for the little harvest this morning. I feel so blessed. Like, it may not be much and a lot to a lot of people, but I feel so blessed. I mean, these are items that I grow organically, freshly. It's such a blessing. These are very pure than store-bought. So I want to continue to ditch store-bought veggies for as long as I can. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. If you have not yet started to grow your own food, or if you are growing but you're hesitant as to how much you grow, go for it. Nothing like eating what you grow and growing what you eat. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.